Where does art come from? Art may ultimately come from attention, when you truly see something, a scent name, a memory, a photograph, a design, and decide it is worth preserving. Most people glance. Artists linger. Art begins when someone lingers. It is not magic, it is attention plus pattern plus emotion plus constraint, expression. And this is where luxury begins. When we create candle art, we are not simply pouring wax into a vessel. We are deciding that this moment, this scent, this message is worth elevating. Personalization lifts a candle to luxury status because it says this was made for someone, not just anyone. But true luxury requires all the components. The inside must burn beautifully. The outside must reflect intention. The wick must be right. The design must belong. Art is luxury not because it is expensive, but because it is rare. Luxury is anything that requires more attention than necessary, when something could have been rushed but was instead refined. Art slows the maker down and demands attention carried all the way through. A candle becomes more than wax, a scent more than fragrance oil, a design on glass more than a candle label. It becomes considered. Luxury is not decoration, it is intention completed. In a world made quickly, art is made carefully, and careful is rare.